Environmental and sustainability issues. Balancing stakeholder interests. Organizations have a duty to consider the interests of various stakeholders, not just shareholders, in their decision-making processes. Competitive advantage. Positive actions and publicizing efforts related to environmental and sustainability issues can lead to competitive advantage in the market. Conversely, lack of action can lead to loss of market share and investor confidence. Risks. Business risk. Failing to address environmental changes can render business strategies obsolete as industries evolve. Regulatory risk. Failure to comply with industry-specific or country-specific regulations can result in legal penalties and disadvantages. Reputation risk. Falling short of stakeholders' environmental expectations or greenwashing, exaggerating environmental efforts, can damage an organization's reputation. Operational risk. Environmental effects, such as natural disasters or resource shortages, can disrupt operations. Financial risk. Organizations may incur costs to rectify environmental issues caused by their actions or experience revenue loss due to reputation damage. Opportunities. Environmental stance. Organizations can seize opportunities by taking a proactive approach to environmental issues, adapting strategies, and improving operations. Market focus. Industries with environmental impacts are under scrutiny, creating opportunities to demonstrate sustainability efforts and innovation. Technological advancements. Investing in sustainable technologies and practices can lead to cost savings, process efficiency, and reduced environmental impact. New revenue streams. Developing sustainable products or services can open new markets and revenue streams. Partnerships. Collaborating with environmentally conscious partners can enhance reputation and drive positive change. Employee engagement. A strong environmental commitment can attract and retain talent aligned with the organization's values. Mitigating risks. Strategic adaptation. Organizations can adjust strategies to align with changing environmental trends and regulations. Compliance and certification. Adhering to industry standards and regulations, such as ISO 14000 and EMAS, can mitigate regulatory and reputation risks. Transparency and reporting. Practicing transparent and accurate reporting through integrated reporting can enhance credibility and reduce reputation risk. Risk management strategies. Organizations can develop risk management plans to address operational and financial risks arising from environmental factors. Innovation. Seeking innovative solutions to reduce environmental impacts can drive efficiency and lead to sustainable growth. Case example, greenwashing. Some organizations may engage in greenwashing, where they exaggerate their environmental efforts to create a positive image without significant actions. However, such practices can backfire if exposed, leading to reputation damage and loss of stakeholder trust. Integrated reporting, IRIR, which involves transparently reporting financial and non-financial information, can play a significant role in minimizing reputation risk by providing accurate and credible information to stakeholders. Fast fashion and environmental impact. Fast fashion companies produce cheap, disposable clothing that quickly follows current trends. Historically, they have been criticized for environmental damage due to high production volumes and short-lived clothing. Negative impacts include manufacturing pollution, resource wastage, and waste disposal issues. Stakeholder dissatisfaction and initiatives. Greenpeace and the UN Alliance for Sustainable Fashion have taken stances against the fast fashion industry's environmental practices. Negative press coverage has led to reputational damage for fast fashion companies, highlighting the need for sustainable actions. Industry response and sustainable practices. Many fast fashion brands are taking actions to address sustainability issues. Recycling schemes for unwanted clothing. Use of more sustainable materials, example bamboo. Design of environmentally friendly buildings. Carbon footprint offset through tree planting. Integrated reporting, IR. Organizations use IR to communicate sustainability efforts to stakeholders. Fashion labels issue sustainability reports within annual reports, often including accountability targets. Challenges of greenwashing. Greenwashing refers to companies portraying themselves as environmentally friendly without substantial actions. Such practices face criticism from pressure groups and may lead to credibility challenges. Government support and initiatives. France's Paris Good Fashion initiative and similar efforts in China and India promote ethical and greener practices in fashion. Government's initiatives aim to align the fashion industry with sustainable principles. Potential consequences of inaction. Failure to address sustainability concerns may erode market shares of large fashion brands. Pressures from governments, competitors, consumers, investors, and shareholders contribute to the push for sustainability. Motor industry and sustainability challenges. Stakeholder concerns for the environment, raw material sustainability, and political demands drive change in the motor industry. The European Green Deal and government mandates, like the UK's ban on petrol and diesel cars, force the industry to adopt greener solutions. Changes extend beyond product releases to production processes, supply chains, and workforce skills for sustainable manufacturing. Sustainability reporting and IR. Motor manufacturers increase sustainability reporting and adopt integrated reporting practices. Some establish sustainability management committees and integrated report meetings to highlight their commitment to sustainability. Changing nature of industries and entry barriers. Sustainability focus shifts industry dynamics and entry barriers. In the fashion industry, sustainability drives the success of smaller slow fashion firms, emphasizing responsible sourcing, environmentally friendly methods, and product longevity. Threat of new entrants and technology disruption. Traditional barriers to entry in the motor industry are reduced by new technologies. New entrants with sustainable energy and self-driving car missions challenge established players. Sustainable and digital technology developers from outside the industry explore opportunities in the motor sector. Threat of substitutes and substitute industries. Sustainability trends give rise to substitute industries, often occupied by smaller organizations. Examples include refill and packaging-free stores, emphasizing ethical and sustainable practices. Travel mug and drinks bottle markets grow due to consumer demand to reduce wasteful production and plastic usage. Conclusion on industry change and sustainability. Industries face increasing pressure from stakeholders to adopt sustainability. Acting sustainably and reporting on actions bring benefits and competitive advantages to organizations. Integrated reporting and credible marketing messages play crucial roles in communicating sustainability efforts. Please like. Please share. We appreciate your subscription to our channel.